How to enable Do Not Disturb on Vantage. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're getting too many alerts or just want distraction-free trading sessions on Vantage, then this feature is pretty useful. First things first, launch open your Vantage trading app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, from the home page, go ahead and tap on the speech bubble icon at the top right corner. This will open the Messages tab where you'll need to tap on the gear icon at the top right. This will open up the notification settings. You'll see Do Not Disturb button. Toggle on the switch right next to Do Not Disturb. That way you will be able to enable the Do Not Disturb feature on Vantage. Now your Vantage app will stay quiet, helping you focus better on trading without constant interruptions. That's it. Super easy, right? Now you can trade peacefully without annoying pop-ups or alerts disturbing your flow. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.